Hi, I'm Diane Grover, Cosmetic Chemist Trainer and Assessor here with the Institute of Personal Care Science. Today I'm going to show you how to make a natural foaming cleanser for oily skin. Now let me show you how easy it is. Today's formula is a quick and easy foaming cleanser designed for oily skin. Oily skin is often characterised as shiny with dilated pores, irregular texture, and can often be dull with tiny pimples or blackheads. In oily skin cleansing, it's important not to overstrip the skin, as excessive cleansing can disrupt the barrier and may lead to rebound oiliness. Instead, we aim to cleanse effectively while maintaining skin comfort and hydration. In the water phase, I'm using a certified organic lemon bioextract approved under EcoCert and Cosmos standards. This smells amazing, by the way. This plant-derived water contributes brightening and hydrating properties and helps support a refreshed and more balanced skin feel. And because there's no heating in this formula, I can add in the broad spectrum preservative now. I'm also adding in some zinc, which is an antibacterial and sebum regulator. This is also EcoCert and Cosmos approved and helps to mattify the skin while offering antimicrobial properties to reduce the likelihood of further breakouts. The zinc is readily water soluble, so just gently stir that in until the powder has dissolved. Once the powder has dissolved, you can add in your surfactant. I'm using Sophicol, which is a 100% naturally derived Cosmos approved collagen-based mild surfactant. I love this material. You can see just how little of this surfactant I need to use to get a beautiful foam in my product. Now I can check and adjust my pH to around 5 to suit both the skin and the zinc. Once you are happy with the pH, you can pour that off into a non-aerosol foaming pump dispenser. And then we have this super easy natural foaming cleanser for oily skin. See, and that's how easy it is to make a natural foaming cleanser for oily skin. If you like today's formula, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to receive notifications on videos just like this and email us at info@personalcarescience.com.au for more free formulas. Happy formulating!